Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make a aloe vera hair mask, more like a spritz. So this is a step that I use. The first thing I did was warm up my honey, and this is a raw honey. This honey was pretty thick, that is why I was using the spoon to scoop it out. I really like the thick honey, so I used that, set it aside, and I went ahead and started cutting the aloe vera. When you're doing this, you need to be very careful, especially when you're using a sharp object to cut that, and the sides are very like prickly, so you just gotta be careful when you are cutting it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe if this is the type of content that you enjoy. As my name is Yuandi, Naturalyewi. I do create content that are fun, but if you have any suggestion, I am willing to also tap into that as well and see what I can create for my lovely subscribers, or more like my internet friends. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification for more videos from me, and share the video. Enjoy your day and take care.